Welcome to the coastal retreat of the prestigious Yacht Harbor Manor in Singer Island. Today I'm excited to take you on a tour of this modern home that blends sophistication with the serene charm of island life. From intercoastal views to top-of-the-line upgrades, this property is a dream come true. Let's take a closer look.
As we start outside, you'll notice that the garage, the front door, and the windows are all impact rated. And check out this brand new vinyl fence. Behind it, you have a pool that'll make you want to drool. It is massive, and what do I love about this? Take a look at the floor. These custom, luxury, high-end pavers just add a taste of class that make me proud to entertain and relax back here. And by the way, your pool is running on brand new pool equipment, so you don't have to worry about that for a long time. And speaking about relaxing, take a look up there. I can't wait to show you that balcony later.
Step inside and prepare to be wowed. The first floor features white oak flooring that gives the space an elegant and warm feel. With 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, this home was designed for both comfort and functionality. 2 of the bedrooms are primary ensuites featuring large walk-in closets that are as practical as they are luxurious.
We now need to talk about this kitchen. This thing is a chef's paradise. Starting with the cabinets, look at how much space is in here. And this stove, this is a high-end luxury LLVE gas stove. This baby costs $7,000. With a stove this fancy, you can expect to have a custom gold-plated pot filler that perfectly matches the sink on the island. This is your fridge, which perfectly blends in with the rest of your kitchen. This thing is $13,000. It's a Thermador, which has 2 cooling systems to make sure that your food stays fresher longer. If you desire privacy, well, I have a treat for you, because upstairs, that's the only thing you get is privacy, because this is where your primary suite is. So you can come up here, relax, and get away anytime you want.
The bathrooms have been upgraded with premium hardware and valves, ensuring a spa-like experience every day. And with a tankless water heater, you never have to worry about running out of hot water ever again. Imagine starting your mornings here with a cup of coffee or winding down at sunset with a nice glass of wine. And across the street, you have waterfront multi-million-dollar homes, adding to the exclusivity of Yacht Harbor Manor. Plus, you're less than a mile from Ocean Reef Park and the public beach, giving you easy access to some of Florida's most beautiful coastline.
If you would like to see this home, JD will give you a tour. And if you want to watch more videos just like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell.